Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aspirants to Officers. In the website, APPSC has released how many attended for the exam and key also released. You can make objections for a view from authentic sources. FPO cutoff for OBC, BC, SC will be 65 plus or minus 5. For SC 27. You can start the preparation for mains because within 2 months there will be mains exam. All the best for the mains exam. Now let us check the key, the official key. FPO paper 2025 screening test. Part A, general studies and mental ability. Why we have to revise the previous year question papers? Yeah, or the question papers which are given by APPS. We can get the idea for the next exams. We can prepare according to that. So, in order to make sure how to we get a rough idea from which areas we have to cover the main topics, what are the questions that are reflected in the previous question papers now, like high court, junior assistant, all the shifts question papers and this FBO, the upcoming examinations. From that questions we can first cover such areas broadly, then we can move on to the test series or mock test in order to fetch good marks. Daily you can read not topic wise but to gain marks wise. Static GK, from that static DJ like wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, we get compulsory one or two bits. So like that one topic a day. The topic is very vast, but we by reading and completing the topic we are fetching only 1 mark. So daily 1 or 2 marks you have to keep in your pocket. That is the use of the question papers we have to go through. So polity, GS subjects such as polity, history, geography, economy, those subjects also, in order to we have to not read complete book. We have to see that we have to keep 1 or 2 marks daily, so that when the notification comes just we have to revise. Daily we have to give the mock test. For example, the textbook app is there, it is very cheap, so we can download the app, we can pay it, and we can practice it more. So let's begin. I have made an answer key for FPO through the Sakshi one, www.sakshi.com. So this is the official one. So I am going through this one. If any mistakes in that, please rectify. In this also there will be raising some will raise the objections. Anyway, we have to see the official key. So I am going to start. Question number 1. What is the name of sorry What is the name of first private Indian rocket launch in 2022? Vikram S. This is the SNT question. So we have to be well prepared about the rockets. Okay. we got the area in from which they are asking the question. This is how we have to understand by the previous question papers. So, next question is, who is the current DRDO chairman or secretary of the Department of Defense R&D, Research and Development? So, option 2 is Dr. Samir V. Kamath. So, here he is asking about the departments, departmental chairmen or secretaries. We have to go through all the departments regarding. So, we have to see the chairmen and secretaries. From there, one question will be appearing. So, next question is, when was the Digital India Mission launched? Option number 2, 2015. While going to daily news, we can get a grip. So, current affairs are changing, dynamic. So, from that, what we can, from this bit, what are the focus points? Are first one is to daily write the current affairs. For prelims, it is not necessary, but do revise weekly after 7 days, after 14 days, after 20 weekdays, 21 days, after 1 month. Repeatedly say 1 week, second week, third week, fourth week. Then you have to see the by seeing pictures. Picturization is very important for us. By seeing the picture, by seeing the name, it is like an album. Current affairs is like an album so that we can remember. So from this point, this question, we can derive this. So from the question 4, which Indian agency is responsible for cyber security? So option is 2, CERT-IN. So it is asking about the security. They are covering each and every area. Okay. So when the news comes in the current affairs, so we have to be alert. Yes. When you prepare for UPSC, you just not see the heading, but you see for year, what is it, who is the chairman, what are the advantages, disadvantages, and conclusions, and what are the implementations, merits, demerits, etc. And the context also. So, if at all you read that, this bit is very easy. So, like this, you have to understand on seeing the questions. Fifth question is, which Indian nuclear reactor is used for research purposes? So again, this is SNT question. Option 3, Dhruva. Sixth question, by which year has India pledged to achieve net zero carbon emissions? Option 4, 2070. See, in this APPSC, they are using old models now. Till the past government was there, they were following the UPSC, the conceptual clarity. Now they are uh, framing the questions on which year, names, etc. So be very careful. This is the trend now of this government. That government, past government, they were following the conceptual clarity questions, concept based questions, theoretically. Three statements were given. The A, B is correct, B or C is correct, all of the above is correct, or none is correct. That was very tricky one, no one could attempt. There were negative markings. So this is better when compared to those papers. Which of the following is an example of ex situ conservation? Option 3 is botanical gardens. So this is also geography, SNT, not SNT, environment. So you have, there are the static ones. So if at all you are prepared with the static GK and static GS, general studies, history, geography, economy, polity, etc., you will have grip marks in marks in your hand and on your pocket. So the one which is trending currently, the repeated ones, some will lose. They are asking no 2 to 3 years past questions. Which is India's first national park? Option 2, Jim Corbett National Park. This is a static GK, so you have to daily see the map. See the map. Question number 9. The CITES Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species regulates option 2 trade in endangered species. This is also a conceptual based question. This is also static. See, how many schedules are there in Wildlife Protection Act 1972? Option 3, 6. Then question number 11. Now I will speed up. Question number 11th. The most common method of solid waste disposal in India is landfilling. 12th question. A sanitary landfill is different from an open dump because it uses a liner system to prevent groundwater contamination. Question number 13. The solid waste management rules 2016 replaced which earlier set of rules? Municipal solid waste rules 2000. 14th one. Extended producer responsibility EPR makes manufacturers responsible for collection and recycling of their products after use. 15th question. The Swachh Bharat Mission SBM was launched in option 2 2014. See, this is very easy question. So it is a static at that time current affairs. So if at all you remember, it's very easy. 16th one. The largest e-waste producing city in India is option number 1 Mumbai. 17th question. The concept of circular economy in waste management promotes option 2 minimizing waste by reusing and recycling materials. Question number 18. India's first waste to energy plant was established in which city? Option 1 Delhi. Question number 19. The integrated pest management IPM approach focuses on option number 3 combination of biological, cultural and mechanical methods for pest control. Question number 20. As per India's SDG Index 2023, which state ranks highest in SDG implementation? Option number 2 Kerala. See, this is SDG. Compulsory, you have to see SDGs. Question number 21. Which of the following is not produced from silkworm? Option 1 Sabra silk. Question number 22. The Central Agmark Laboratory is located in Nagpur. Option 2. 23rd question. Which of the following tribes is not a hunting tribe in India? Option 2 Meena of Rajasthan. Yesterday we marked Kamar of Madhya Pradesh. Whichever is correct, you see once for raising the objections. Question number 24. Which city is not a part of Golden Quadrilateral? Option 1, Hyderabad. Question number 25. The primary cotton research center in Andhra Pradesh is located at option 2, Guntur. So we have to see the local state, Andhra Pradesh. Read about the Andhra Pradesh state. Okay. 26th question. Annamaya district is carved from parts of erstwhile Vaisar Kadapa and Chittor. Option 3. So questions on districts are coming. Questions on districts, questions on state cotton means the plantation geography. Question number 27. Scientific name of red sandalwood is option 3, Pterocarpus santalinus. 28. Question. Vishakhapatnam port is protected from sea waves and cyclones by the option 2, dolphin snows. They're asking about ports. See. So have a mark in your mind that we have to read about Andhra Pradesh ports, geography. Question number 29. Sri Kalahasti temple is located on the banks of option 4, Swarnamukhi. So temple and the river bank. Question number 30. Krishna Shastri's pain is the pain of the world. The pain of the world is Sri Sri's pain. Who said these words about Sri Sri? Option number 2. Option number 4. Gudipati Venkata Chalam. Question number 31. Who was a nationalist poet to use the word Telugu Talli for the first time in Telugu nationalist writings? Option 1. Rayaprolu Subbarao. So in Andhra Pradesh, the poets about Telugu poets about Telugu nationalist writings. So you have to give importance to such areas. Question number 32. On December 17, 1917, a delegation of 21 representatives met with Montague to request for forming a separate state for Andhra from the Madras presidency. Who led this delegation? Option number 2, Nyayapati Subbarao. See this history, AP history. That area they have covered. 33rd question. When did Putti Srinamalu lose his wife while doing fast unto death for forming of separate state for Andhra? Option number 2, December 15, 1952. They're asking the death dates. Question number 34. Which of the following statements related to Visal Andhra Mahasabha is incorrect? Option number 3. It was established at Hyderabad. Question number 35. Which of the following is not one of the reasons for beginning of Telangana movement in 1969? Option 4. AP High Court's verdict that the Mulki rules are not applicable after the formation of Andhra Pradesh. Question number 36. Who said the directive principles of state policy was New Magna Carta? Option 1. M.Y. Piley. Question number 37. In which year was the Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act made? Option 3. 1986. Question number 38. Which article deals with universal adult franchise in the Constitution? Universal franchise. Option number 3. Article 326. Question number 39. Though he or she is not a member of Parliament of India, but he or she is an integral part of Indian Parliament, who? Question number 3 and option number 3, President. Is today? Okay. Next. Question number 40. Who has the power to create new All India services in India? Option number 4, Rajya Sabha. Question number 41. Which Supreme Court judge introduced PIL, public interest litigation? Option number 1, PN Bhagwati. Question number 42. The first Indian state which established Lokayukta in 1971. Option 3, Maharashtra. Question number 43. Which was the commission or committee appointed by to study the fundamental duties in 1999? Option 1, Verma Committee. Question number 44. Which is the best measure of a country's economic growth? Option 1, GNP. Yesterday, we wrote in the Sakshi paper the given GDP. You can make your answer correct, I think. See whether the answer is correct or not from your static books. Okay. Question number 45. In India, the liberal industrial policy was adopted in the year. Option number 2, 1991. Question number 46. Open market operations of RBI are sales and purchases of. Option number 3. Government securities. Question number 47. Devaluation of rupee in India was introduced in the year. Option number 1, 1949. Question number 48. During a period of inflation, prices should. Option number 1, increase. Question number 49. Which committee was constituted for reforms in tax structure? Option number 3, Chelia Committee. Question number 50. In which part of our Indian Constitution can GST be found? Option number 1, 12A of Article 366. Question number 51. Financial Responsibility and Budget Management Act was introduced in the year. Option number 3, 2003. Question number 52. The balance of payments account records the inflow of foreign exchange on. Option 2, credit side. Question number 53. The portfolio investment by foreign institutional investors is called. Option 1, FII. Question number 54. Blue revolution is related with. Option 1, fish. Question number 55. M.S. Swaminathan was known as. Option number 2, father of green revolution. Question number 56. The percentage of agricultural land is very high in all the following states except. Option number 1, Sikkim. Question number 57. Which is the biggest enterprise of Government of India? Option number 1, railways. Question number 58. The Wildlife Crime Control Bureau WCCB in India was established in. Option number 3, 2007. Question number 59. Which national park is famous for the conservation of the Indian rhinoceros? Option 3, Kaziranga National Park. Question number 60. The government-led initiative in India that provides a secure online platform to store and share digital documents is. Option 3, DigiLocker. Question number 61. The Government of India initiative that helps users identify and remove malicious software and botnets from their device is. Option 1, Cyber Swachhata Kendra. Question number 62. What does the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana PMJAY aim to achieve in? Option number 2, to provide health insurance coverage to economically vulnerable populations. Question number 63. Which Indian city is known as Space City? Option 4, Bangalore. Question number 64. Which of the following is one of the largest public health programs of free vaccines targeting children and pregnant women? Option 2, Universal Immunization Program UIP. Question number 65. A car travels 150 kilometers in 3 hours. The time it takes to travel 750 kilometers more with the same speed is. Option number 3, 15 hours. Question number 66. Find the next term in the following series. Option number 2, MQORNP. Question number 67. Statement. All dancers are artists. Some artists are painters. Conclusion 1. All artists are dancers. 2. Some painters are dancers. Option number 2. 1 is false and 2 is true. Question number 68. 12 men can complete work in 16 days. In how many days will 8 men complete the same work? Option number 2, 24. Question number 69. A father is twice old as his son. 8 years back, their ages were in the ratio of 8:3. Then present ages of father and son respectively are. Option number 4, 40 years, 20 years. Question number 70. A dealer sells a notebook for rupees 39 and gains as much in percentage as the cost price of the notebook. Then the cost price of notebook is. Option number 3, 30. Question number 71. A shopkeeper marks his goods 10% above cost price but allows 20% discount for cash. What is his net loss percent? Option number 1, 12%. Directions for 72 and 73 questions. Question number 72. Answer is option 3, DACB. Question number 73. Option 1, CDAB. Question number 74. The population of a village increased to 44,100 in year 2003 at the rate of 5% annum. What is the population of the village in the year 2001? Option 4, 40,000. 75th question. Cost of 5 pence is equal to cost of 8 pencils. If cost of 1 pencil is rupees 5, then the cost of 7 pence is option number 1, rupees 56. Part B, General Science and General Mathematics. Question number 76. Which of the following is the correct sequence of the ecological organization from smallest to the largest? Second one is the correct answer. Organism, population, community, ecosystem, biome. Question number 77. Which of the following is not a component of an ecosystem? Option 4, evolution. Question number 78. Which of the following organisms is a primary producer? Option 3, algae. Question number 79. What type of ecological pyramid can never be inverted? Option 2, pyramid of energy. Question number 80. Who introduced the concept of biodiversity hotspots? Option 1, Norman Mears. Question number 81. How many biodiversity hotspots are there globally as of 2023? Option number 3, 36. Question number 82. What is the greatest cause of biodiversity loss? Option 2, habitat destruction. Question number 83. The Ramsar Convention is related to the conservation of. Option 2, wetlands. Question number 84. The UN has declared 2021 to 2030 as the decade for. Option 3, ecosystem restoration. Question number 85. As of 2024, how many biosphere reserves are there in India? Option 2, 18. Question number 86. The Gulf of Mannar Bioreserve is known for. Option 1, coral reefs. Question number 87. What is the People's Biodiversity Register? PBR. Answer option 2, a record of biodiversity at the local level. Question number 88. The Nagoya Protocol related to biodiversity conservation is associated with. Option 2, genetic resources and benefit sharing. Question number 89. The permissible noise level is in residential areas during the daytime in India is 55 dB. Question number 90. The National Air Quality Index NAQI in India measures which key pollutants? Question number option number 3, PM 2.5, PM 10, SIBO, SO2, NO2, O3 and NH3. Question number 91. What are the transgenic organisms? Option 1, natural plants and animals. Question number 92. The Paris Agreement aims to limit global temperature rise to. Option 2, 1.5 degrees Celsius. Question number 93. Acid rain has a pH lower than. Option number 2, 5.6. Question number 94. The largest ozone hole is observed over. Option 3, Antarctica. Question number 95. How does ocean acidification affect marine organisms? Option 2, reduces shell formation in marine species. Question number 96. The Montreal Protocol 1987 is related to. Option 1, ozone layer protection. Question number 97. Which was the first major international agreement to address climate change? Option 4, UN Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC. Question number 98. The Bonn Challenge aims to. Option number 2, restore degraded and deforested land. Question number 99. The species that show a crucial role in maintaining the structure, function and biodiversity of its ecosystem are. Option number 1, keystone species. Question number 100. Which human activity contributes most to the global warming? Option number 4, deforestation and burning of fossil fuels. Question number 101, which program aims to provide a clean cooking fuel to low income households in India? Option number 3, Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana. Question number 102, black foot disease in human beings is caused due to use of water contaminated with option 4, arsenic. Question number 103, the main constituents of biogas or gobar gas are option 4, all of the above. Question number 104, match the following. Option number 3, A2, B1, C4, D3. Question number 105, which the marine organisms are at risk? Which marine organisms are at risk from ocean acidification due to their dependence on calcium carbonate to form shells and skeletons? Option 4, all of the above. Question number 106, what is the role of the United Nations Environmental Program UNEP in the context of ozone depletion? Option 4, they monitor and implement international agreements like the Montreal Protocol. Question number 107, match the following diseases and their modes of transmission. Option 1, A3, B1, C4, D2. Question number 108, which of the following is not a renewable energy source in India? Option number 2, nuclear energy. 109 question, which of the following is not a type of biodiversity? Option 2, population biodiversity. Question number 110, which is the largest solar park in India by installed capacity? Option 1, Badla Solar Park, Rajasthan. Question number 111, what is the primary objective of the PM Kusum scheme? Option 2, provide subsidies for solar irrigation pumps. Question number 112, where was India's first waste to east energy plant established? Option number 2, Delhi. Question number 113, what is the goal of PM Surya Ghar Yojana? Option number 2, install rooftop solar panels in urban areas. Question number 114, acid rain is caused by the reaction of water with option 1, nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide. Question number 115, which of the following microbes is commonly used in oil spill cleanup? Option number 2, Pseudomonas butida. Question number 116, which state is the largest producer of copper in India? Option 3, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 117, the sum of squares of two consecutive even numbers is number 452. The numbers are option 3, 14 and 16. Question number 118, out of two concentric circles, if the radius of the outer circle is 5 centimeters and its chord of 8 centimeters is the tangent to inner circle, the radius of inner circle is option number 3, 3 centimeters. Question number 119, if a wheel makes 140 revolutions in covering a distance of 44 kilometers, then the radius of the wheel is dash approximately option number 2, 50 meters. Question number 120, the pictorial representation of data in the form of vertical or horizontal rectangles is called a option number 3, bar graph. Question number 121, the median of data values of n observations is dash if n is odd. Option number 2, n plus 1 by 2. Question number 122, a small unit of a factory has 5 employees, consisting of a supervisor and 4 laborers. The workers earn a salary of rupees 5,000 per month each, while the supervisor gets rupees 15,000 per month. Then the mean, median, and mode of the salaries is dash, dash, and dash respectively. Option number 3, 7,000, 5,000, 5,000. Question number 123, the relationship between the three measures of the central tendency is option number 4, 3 median is equal to mode plus 3 mean. Question number 124, a wall length of 48 meters, 0.4 meter thick and 5 meters high is constructed with the bricks, each of the dimension 25 centimeters into 16 centimeters into 10 centimeters. If mortar occupies 1 by 10th of the volume of the wall, then how many bricks are used in the constructing the wall? Option number 2, 21,600. Question number 125, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is 49 is to 121. What is the ratio of the perimeters? Option number 1, 7 is to 11. Question number 126. The value of the question number 126. Option 2, 970. Question number 127. What will be the area of the largest square that can be cut out of a circle of radius 10 centimeters? Option 1, 100 centimeters square. Question number 128. Option number 1, 2:1. Question number 129. Option 4, 1.7. Question number 130. Option 3, 44 degrees. Question number 131. Option 1, 37.5. Question number 132. Option number 4, median end mode. Question number 133. Option number 132. Question number 134. Option number 7/11. Question number 135. Option number 1, 45 degrees. Question number 136. Option 2, 28 square. Question number 137. Option 1, 61. Question number 138. Option 3, 15 centimeters, 13 centimeters. Question number 139. Option 2, 351/75. Question number 140. Option number 3, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Question number 141. Option number 2, 32. Question number 142. Option number 4, 0.5. Question number 143. Option number 3, 500. Question number 144. Option 2, 30 degrees. Question number 145. Option 2, 6. Question number 146. Option 4, root 3a. Question number 147. Option 4, 16 pi centimeter square. Question number 148. Option 1, 9.6 meters. Question number 149. Option 1, 72 lakhs. Question number 150. Option number 2, 64 root 3 centimeter square. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.